Hi everyone. Today in this session we are going to solve some numericals based on volume and density bottle. We'll see the first question. The first question is given that mass of the body is equal to 72 gram. Initial water level, we can mark it as B1, that is equal to 24 ml, and final water level as marking it as V2, that is equal to 42 ml. So these are the data given. We have to find out the density. Okay. So mass is given as 72 and volume, the initial level and final level is given there. So the change in volume is equal to the volume of the body. So first we will find out the volume. Volume of the body is equal to final water level minus initial water level, that is equal 42 minus 24, we'll get it as 18 ml. Okay, it is in terms of ml. Now we have to convert. We know that density is equal to mass by volume and the unit is gram per centimeter cube or kilogram per meter cube. Here it is given in terms of ml, that is equal to 18 centimeter cube. Because we studied that 1 ml is equal to 1 centimeter cube. On the base of this one, we can convert 18 ml is equal to 18 centimeter cube. Now we'll see what is density. So density is equal to mass is 72 divided by 18. When we solve this, we will get it as 4 gram per centimeter cube. This is gram and this is centimeter cube. So 72 by 18 is 4 and the unit is 4 gram per centimeter cube. Now we will see the second question. The second question is about to find out the relative density of alcohol. For that, mass of the density bottle is given as 35 gram alone. Only the mass of the bottle is given as 35 gram. If we fill it with water, the mass of density bottle plus water is given as 65 gram. Then we are removing the water and again the bottle is filled with alcohol. In that, the mass of density bottle plus alcohol is given as 59 gram. Okay, so these are the data given. We need to find out the relative density. What's relative density? If the same bottle we are using means the volume is constant. So relative density we can find in terms of mass. Mass of the substance divided by mass of the water. So from these data, how can we find out the mass of the water? We'll find out the mass of the water. Mass of water is equal to, marking it as M2, M1 and M3. Okay. So what is mass of water? Total mass of water plus bottle minus the mass of bottle. So that is equal to M2 minus M1. We can write it as 65 minus 35, that is equal to 30 gram. So mass of water is 30 gram. Same way we will find out the mass of alcohol. So mass of alcohol is equal to, this is the total mass of alcohol and bottle. From this value we need to minus the mass of bottle. So we will get M3 minus M1, that is equal to 59 minus 30. This is equal to 24 gram. Okay. So we got the mass of water and the mass of alcohol. Now we'll find out the relative density is equal to mass of substance divided by mass of water. That is equal to 30 divided by 24. When we solve it, we will get it as 0.8. Is it any unit is there? No. So mass, here it is gram, here also gram. So both denominator and numerator has the same unit quantity. And we know that relative density doesn't have any unit. So the relative density of alcohol is 0.8. Now we'll see the last question. Last question. Here also mass of the density bottle is given as 30 gram. When it is filled with water, that means density bottle plus water. For the third question also given as mass of density bottle, that is M1 is equal to 30 gram. Then mass of density bottle plus water, M2 is equal to 75 gram. And here they did not mention which kind of liquid, just mention as liquid. So we'll write as mass of density bottle plus liquid, that is M3 is equal to 65 gram. These are the data given. We need to find out the volume of the bottle, density of the liquid and relative density of the liquid. So three things we need to find it out. Okay. So first we'll find the volume. First one, it's volume. For that we need to find out the mass of water. So mass of water is equal to, we know that this is the total mass of water and density bottle. When we minus the mass of density bottle, we will get the value of mass of water. So M2 minus M1, that is equal to 75 minus 30, we will get as 45 gram. Okay, we got the value as 45 gram. Now we need to find out the volume. Okay, how can we find out the volume of water? Here it is given in terms of gram. So we know that the density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube. We'll substitute in that value. Density of water is equal to mass of water by volume of water. We'll do the cross multiplication. Then we'll get volume of water is equal to mass of water divided by density of water. What is mass of water? It is 45 gram divided by density, that is 1 gram per centimeter cube. So this gram and gram will cancel, centimeter cube will go up. This is equal to 45 centimeter cube, or in terms of milliliter we can write it as 45 ml. So our first part we found through the equation. Easily we can write it as 45 because we studied that the density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube. So mass of the density bottle or mass of the water filled in the density bottle is equivalent to its volume. That we already studied that. No need of this calculation. Just for you to understand. This is the way how we can write mass of water is equivalent to volume of water. Now we need to find out the density of the liquid. For that we should know what is the mass of the liquid. First we will find out mass of liquid is equal to M3 minus M1, that is 65 minus 30 and the value is 30 gram. Okay. So we know the volume of the bottle and the mass of the liquid. Now we can easily find out the second one. Density of liquid is equal to mass divided by volume. Mass of liquid divided by volume of liquid. So we are using density bottle here. So volume of water will be equal to volume of liquid. So that is equal to mass 30 divided by 45. When we solve it, we will get the value as 0.77 gram per centimeter cube. So this is the density of the liquid. Now we can find out the density, relative density. Third one, relative density. Here both densities are given. Either we can find out by in terms of mass or in density. We'll see in terms of density. So density of liquid divided by density of water. Density of liquid is how much? 0.77 divided by gram per centimeter cube divided by 1 gram per centimeter cube. What will get? 0.77 divided by 1 is equal to 0.77. Or if we find in terms of mass, that is equal to mass of liquid by mass of water. What is mass of liquid? Mass of liquid is equal to 30 gram, and we know that mass of water is equivalent to the volume. It was 45 gram. So 45 gram, when we solve 30 by 45, we get the value as 0.77. So either if we do in terms of density or in terms of mass, we are getting the same answer. So when you get data from the numerical, check it whether mass is given or even density. If density is given means it's really easy, because we know that the density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube. If it is given in kilogram, it is 1000 kilogram per meter cube. So check the data given, then find out the easy method and substitute it as whether it has density values or mass values. Thank you.